following areas in New Jersey: Western Passaic, Eastern Passaic, Hudson, Western Bergen, Eastern Bergen, Western Essex, Western Union and Eastern Union. Air quality alert in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. The New Jersey Department of Environmental Protection has issued an Air Quality Action Day for the following counties: Bergen, Essex, Passaic, Union, and Hudson. In effect until 6 p.m. this evening. An Air Quality Action Day means that fine particulates within the region may approach or exceed unhealthy standards. For additional information, please visit the New Jersey State Department of Environmental Protection at http://www.jagano.net. For the following areas in New York: Rockland, Northern Westchester, Southern Westchester, Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, Brooklyn, Northern Queens and Southern Queens. Air quality alert in effect until 11 p.m. this evening. The New York State Department of Environmental Conservation has issued an air quality health advisory for the following counties: Richmond, Kings, Queens, New York, Bronx, Westchester, Rockland, Orange, and Putnam. In effect until 11 p.m. this evening. Air quality levels in outdoor air are predicted to be greater than an air quality index value of 100 for the pollutant of fine particulates. The Air Quality Index, or AQI, was created as an easy way to correlate levels of different pollutants to one scale. The higher the AQI value, the greater the health concern. When pollution levels are elevated, the New York State Department of Health recommends that individuals consider limiting strenuous outdoor physical activity to reduce the risk of adverse health effects. People who may be especially sensitive to the effects of elevated levels of pollutants include the very young and those with pre-existing respiratory problems such as asthma or heart disease. Those with symptoms should consider consulting their personal physician. A toll-free air quality hotline has been established, so New York residents can stay informed on the air quality situation. The toll-free number is 1-800-535-1345. For the following areas in New Jersey: Eastern Monmouth, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, Warren, and Western Monmouth. Air quality alert is in effect for Monday, April 7th. The New Jersey Department of Environmental Protection has issued an Air Quality Action Day for the following counties: Eastern Monmouth, Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Morris, Northwestern Burlington, Somerset, Southeastern Burlington, Sussex, Warren, Western Monmouth, Ocean. Fine particles are forecast to reach the unhealthy for sensitive groups category in central and northern New Jersey due to a brush fire burning in Burlington County, New Jersey. Sensitive individuals, including the young, elderly, and persons with respiratory diseases such as asthma, should avoid strenuous outdoor activity. Onshore winds and rain later in the day will improve conditions across the state and keep levels in the good/low moderate range in southern New Jersey. Here is the latest weather map discussion.